guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use Gekko in Valorant. Now this is the Dizzy util. I don't think I use it here, but I use this other utility, which is the wingman. You press Q, you hold the spike first, you right click to plant. As you can see, it will plant up there, and if you select the left click, it's going to stun people if it hits them, kind of like a raised boombot. It gives you a damage, but for this one it just plants. And I'm just going to go to other sections. This one blinds, but I'll show you in another section of the video. And here's me using the mosh pit, which is the C ability. It has a little bit of damage. Well, it causes a lot of damage if the player is in the middle of the mosh pit, but that's just how you throw it, basically to add in a damage, give them damage. And then you can also take the orb by pressing F, I think, or a button in there to retrieve back the abilities, and you can use it again. And I'm just going to go to the next slide for the Dizzy. Here I am using Dizzy. Just pressed E on my keyboard, and as you can see, it blinded the arrays, making it easy for me to get a kill. As you can see, it creates a sludge on the person's screen. But yeah, and I'm going to show you how the ult works on this last clip, so be right back. So just press the X and follow the person and left click to stun it. Unfortunately, I didn't get the person, but you can claim your ult back later on. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!